My Electrolux front-loading washing machine has lost power. First the drum stopped turning and I emptied it and tried a wash cycle while it was empty. The drum still didn't turn and then the lights went out. Clearly I have two problems. 1. Being the drum, and I have already read a post about taking the back off and checking the belt. I haven't done that yet, but I will if I can get power back. If there is no power, I may as well give up and buy a new one. My second problem is the loss of power. Is there a fuse built into the machine somewhere?
Hi, can you post the model number please? Regards.
EWF 1087.
Hi, thanks for that. I'm afraid there isn't a fuse inside these other than the plug top fuse, if fitted. Try this and see what happens. Turn the washer off. Press and hold the start button and the skip/reset button. With them both held in, turn the washer back on. Keep the buttons held in for several seconds and see if the LEDs start to flash. If so, then turn the washer off and on, then back off again and see if it comes back to live again. If it's still the same blank, then you can try and remove the top, and from there you will see a control board on the left-hand side. Remove this and take the back cover off and see if there is any signs of burning on there. Then look at the front display board and you will see a blue thin wiring harness. Remove this of the board and give the ends a gentle squeeze and retry the washer and see if the power comes back. If not and the power supply to the washer is fine, then it's looking like the main power board on the side will be at fault. So as that will be faulty plus you have the fault of the washer not spinning, then it's probably not worth fixing. As what I have seen in the past is the motor goes and sometimes it causes the main power control board to fail as well, so they need both replacing, which isn't worth fixing. So this may be the same on your washer, but usually blown control board aren't worth fixing nowadays, and given as your washer is listed as a 2006 model, it's probably best to replace. But try the reset as above and just see how it goes from there. Regards.
Hello, I'm happy to say that the lights are back on. I tried a short wash and it filled, but the barrel still isn't turning. I skipped through and it drained. My plan is to go to bed now, and in the morning I will pull it out and try and get the back off and have a look at the belt. I am sure I will still need you then. Thanks.
Hi, no worries, glad to hear the power is back. When you do check it out, remove the rear panel, and if the belt is okay, then remove the motor itself. At the back of the motor either side you will see the carbon brushes and black plastic holders. Remove these and check to see if they have worn down. As to be honest, it's more common for them to wear down rather than the belt go, but check them both out and see what you find. Regards.
Thanks, XXXXXXXXXX, you know how it goes.
No worries, speak soon.
Okay, couldn't get the back off but have the top off. The belt has come off the barrel. How do I get to what I presume is the drive shaft to get the belt back on? Can I get there from underneath? The back wraps around the side, so it isn't just a back panel.
Hi, sorry for the delay. To get the belt on the back panel will need to be removed unless you can reach down the back of the washer to hook the belt onto the motor and then round on the pulley. But to remove the back you need to remove the two screws on the top on the back panel. Then look at the back and you will see a screw in each corner. Remove these. Then look on the side in the middle at the bottom and you will see a plastic cap. Remove this and Therese another screw in there. Then undo the plastic cover where the fill hose is, and then you will be able to remove the rear half panel and get better access to the belt from there. Regards. Hello again, after a few ups and downs. A few wrong turns and scrapped knuckles, all is repaired and back together. Machine is now doing its second load of washing without problem. Thanks for your help, Jenny.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.